Here I'm going to look at the HTML5 video tag, which enables you to embed video straight in a browser without a plugin. So here we have a template, and I'll start populating it with some code. These are the tags you use to insert video into a web page, video and /video. And here I've set the width of the video to 560 pixels, a height of 320, and said I want to see the controls in the player. Having set those up, it's exactly like the audio files. Because the different browsers use different proprietary formats, you're going to need to re-encode your audio or find a service, of which there are many on the internet, to copy them into the different formats. So here we have an MP4 file, again similar to these are the types that Apple might use, WebM as used by Google, OGV, another one popular with Firefox, Opera, for example. So here we have 3 files, and between them all, they will, at least one of them will play in any major HTML5 enabled browser. So let's have a look at that in the Chrome browser here. So we'll pull that file in, and here we have a video. Let's expand that to make the whole video visible. There we go, there's the video. Let's play it, see if that works. Yes, video seems to play just fine. But we also have the same thing to bear in mind as we do with audio, which is some people won't have an HTML5 enabled browser, and they'll need to rely on the fallback of Flash. So here's how you can do that. Again, inside the video tags, any HTML that's not part of HTML5 will be ignored by an HTML5 browser, but all other browsers will make a note of it and use it. So here we have object tags in which I've embedded the flowplayer.swf file. This is in the archive of files available on the companion website. Here we are, flowplayer.swf, and this is the flowplayer controls.swf file, and you need both of those. If you download the latest versions from the flowplayer.org website, they may have some numbers after them which you'll have to refer to, or just take the numbers off and pair the file names back to as they are here. Underneath you can see the different video files, an MP4, OGV and a WebM file. So in this embedding of the object, we tell it the type is application Shockwave Flash, using the flowplayer.swf file, and in the parameters we say the movie player is flowplayer.swf, and the flash FLARs are passed through with these configuration details. This is the name of a video file. Now in the case of the Flow Player, it doesn't like to play a local video file, so if you're testing this from a local drive, it's not going to play. You'll have to use a URL such as this one, which contains an MP4 file, because otherwise nothing will display. So down here we have autoplay. We don't want autoplay to go. We want the user to be able to click when they're ready, but we do want auto buffering so that as much of the video will load in as possible in advance, so that it won't keep the playback won't keep stalling. And so there you have it. Again, if I reload this into the browser, you'll see nothing different, because all this has been ignored, because Chrome, the latest version of Chrome, is fully HTML5 enabled. But on an older browser, you'll see a very, very similar player to this. You won't see much difference at all.